What's up, guys? Rick with Raleigh Sport Direct here. In front of me, I have the Go Fast Bits crank pulley specific for the FRS BRZ GT86 FA20, whatever you guys want to call it. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is really just an unboxing of this, so I can show you guys in greater detail than what you can see on our website exactly what this is about. So this is their beautiful crank pulley. Now, I know it's not a whole lot to look at, but you have to think of all the machining work that goes into this, because this is cut from a solid piece of aluminum. Fully CNC'd aluminum with a beautiful black anodization, whatever. Of course, you've got the GFB or Go Fast Bits logo there and there. Now, this is a direct replacement for your factory crank pulley. Now, a lot of people say, especially if you come from basically any other manufacturer of car, no, a solid crank pulley is going to ruin your engine. Yes, on inline fours, V6, V8s, that is true, but on a horizontally opposed engine, they're inherently balanced from the factory, and so you don't need a harmonic damper. Just a solid pulley will work just fine. Now, this does have the keyway hole there for it, and the hardest part about this install is once you remove your factory pulley, there's going to be a little O-ring that's probably going to stick to your factory pulley, and also the keyway for the oil pump drive. You just want to make sure everything stays lined up, so just very carefully remove it, remove the little O-ring, probably get a new O-ring as your best bet. Put it back in and make sure everything's lined up when you put that back on. This removes almost 5 pounds compared to the factory crank pulley, which is incredibly impressive. It just makes the FA20 much more responsive. It revs up a lot quicker, revs down a lot quicker. It makes rev match downshifting or just rev match shifting in general a lot snappier and gives you a nice crisp throttle response, which is exactly what you want on a high revving, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. You really want as much crispness as you can get out of that engine, because it's not about the brute power, it's about how the engine feels, how it sings, how it responds to your right foot, and how quickly it responds to that as well. And this will definitely help that through and through. I really think these crank pulleys make a nice subtle difference. It's not going to make a night and day difference. It's not going to be like, whoa, holy cow, my car is so much faster, but it'll just feel a little bit quicker, a little bit more crisp, a little bit more fun to drive, and just respond better to your throttle inputs, which is what this is all about. This is the Go Fast Bits lightweight crank pulley. Check it out. We'll see you guys next time.